Welcome! In front of me I have Lenovo Ego Smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the notification alerts for this watch on the iPhone. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Lenovo Live application. Once the devices are paired, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the notifications to work. So, we need to open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, we need to scroll down. At the bottom, we need to find the Lenovo Live application, tap on it, and here we need to make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled. As you can see, it is. We need to tap on notifications, and here we need to make sure that the allow notifications is enabled. You can also customize the notification settings right here, but I'm just gonna leave it as default. Okay, let's go back. You also need to open the Bluetooth settings, find the HX07 device, tap on the info icon next to it, and here you need to make sure that the share system notifications is enabled for this device, basically for this watch. Once the permissions are enabled, we can open the Lenovo Live application. In the app, tap on profile icon, select the Ego watch from the list of devices, tap on Smart Reminders, and here we can customize the notification settings. We can enable or disable the notifications for calls, for example, by tapping on the switch, and SMS, and also we can enable the alerts for specific apps like WeChat, QQ, email, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, Line, and Skype. You can just enable them by tapping on the switches, like that. And once you're done customizing your notification settings, you can just go back. And at this point, you should be able to receive the notification alerts on your watch. And that's how you enable the notification alerts on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.